A very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining us again in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the top 5 best CRM softwares. Now, by looking at the top 5 best CRM softwares, this is based on deep research so that we are able to just give you the best that we have in terms of free CRM software. So starting from the top at number 5, we have Monday. You'll be able to access Monday CRM on monday.com, and the link to that plus all the other are available in the description of this video. Now with Monday CRM, that is, you go to monday.com. Here you notice in terms of products, we can have the work management, and then we have the sales CRM. For the sales CRM, you have sales pipeline, where you can manage leads and opportunities and track deals and forecast revenue. You also have contact management, where you can keep all record and all contact and account information in one place. Then you can also have customer projects, where you can manage clients' projects and all that. Now, when you come to pricing, to consider what the free plan of Monday has to offer, you simply come down here and you notice that the free plan is free forever. The downside of Monday is that it only has up to 2 seats included. You notice here, and then up to 3 boards included. Boards are the place for organizing all your work and data. Then it has unlimited number of documents, so you can create documents and collaborate with your team in real time, and you have unlimited number of documents. And then with Monday free one, it gives you up to 200 templates, and then you can just choose from those templates depending on your industry, and then you get up to 8 columns, and then it also includes iOS and Android apps. So we give that as number 5. And then in terms of size, the Monday gives you up to 100 MBs of space, which I feel that is a bit limited, but you'll notice that the interface is very user friendly for Monday. So let's go to the second one at number 4, Bitrix 24. Now with Bitrix 24, you notice you simply go to bitrix24.com, and again that link is available in the description of this video. Now with Bitrix 24, if you look for the free plan here, click on pricing, you notice that it opens from the basic, but if you notice on the left hand side here, we have free. You just click on that to access what is 100% free. Now with Bitrix 24, if you compare that with Monday, where you are getting only 100 MBs, with Bitrix 24 you get up to 5 GB free. Maximum team size is unlimited. You don't have any limitation. And then you can still do collaborations with the free version. You can also have your tasks and projects. And then you can also store your data in your drive. And even with the free version of Bitrix 24, you can contact their contact center, and you also have access to the website builder. So you notice that's much you can do with bitrix.com, and then it has apps that can be easily integrated even with the free version. Now the downside of Bitrix 24 is that it has one sales pipeline, and then it has one communication center, and then it has a complex user interface. So that is the downside, but you notice it has the upside of it. Let's go to number 3. At number 3 is Fresh Sales. Now you simply go to freshworks.com/CRM, and then when you click on pricing, this way it gives you the Fresh Sales here. So this is perfect for sales team to start organizing data and engaging with leads. What do you get with the Fresh Sales Free CRM? Number 1, you can get integrations for Kanban view, contacts. You can manage and organize your contact account and deal records in Kanban, and then you can get information at a glance. You can just view that at a glance. Then it has a contact lifecycle stages, and these are customizable stages that capture the lifecycle of your contacts. It has built-in chat, email, and phone. It has email templates that you can use. It has custom fields which you can customize to fit your CRM. and then it has 24 hours, 5 days a week customer support. And then it has the mobile app where you can access fresh sales on your mobile device. What is the downside of fresh sales? Number one, its best features are only reserved for the premium version. For instance, you notice for instance the multiple or the AI powered contact scoring is only available for the premium versions. So that's one downside of it, in that the best features are not included in the free version. And then the other thing is that it has less customization. If you're using Freshworks, you may not have a lot to customize, especially for the free version. And then the next thing it is that it has no visual sales pipeline for the free version. So that is at number 3, fresh sales. And the next one at number 2, Zoho. Now with Zoho, you can get up to 50 plus business apps just with Zoho. And then you can get up to 5,000 records for free. And then it has an easy user interface. And then you can also get great analytics. And it's also easily customizable. But this customization is only limited mostly to the premium version, but even the free version is slightly customizable. If you look at the pricing here to see the features of the CRM, you notice you can have tasks, calls, and events. You can also do the scoring rules, and it has good analytics for the same. So if you look at the CRM here, for the CRM Plus at the top here, you notice that you can access the sales, marketing, help desk, live chat, social media, projects, surveys, analytics, and also artificial intelligence, which is a great feature that is currently being utilized by almost any CRM currently. The artificial intelligence, which is actually taking up the market currently. So you notice you can place this, you have 10 GB data storage up to 200 users, but for the free version, you will only have 3 users for the free version. That is for the Zoho. Now, at number 1 is HubSpot. You notice that with HubSpot, you have unlimited users. And then again, in terms of account and contacts, you can have up to 1 million well-organized contacts. And then the account management is also included in the HubSpot. Now, the HubSpot also has a chatbot. You notice here, the bot has already popped up. Let me just see that, type there and just click hi. You notice it has the chatbot there, which is to our advantage. You can get the help you need from the chatbot, which are live chats from the live chat bot. Now, that is for the HubSpot. And then it has an entire marketing suite that has email marketing, includes email marketing. It has Sales Hub, CMS Hub, and then Operations Hub. So notice all this is available. And then in terms of resources available for you, we have blogs on education, and then we have services for onboarding and consulting services available in HubSpot. So I hope this gives you a nice overview from Monday to Beatrix to Fresh Sales, Zoho, and HubSpot. But as we have mentioned, if you want the best features, some of them are included in the premium versions of all these CRMs. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.